Hello, my fellow friends. On this cold day, I'm going to solve the exercise you prepared yesterday, and then I'm going to give you some new exercises to prepare during the rest of this day. So, this exercise, it always starts the same way. You're going to add small letters. You're going to circle the elements you know. In green and red, you're going to look for the elements you don't know. And the given and the asked, you're going to simplify that by writing B is 48, C is 20, and we're looking for B, C, and A. So we're going to start with BC, and BC, which is A, of course, we can simply do with the Pythagorean theorem. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we know the following. We know that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. We're looking for this hypotenuse, so the only thing we have to do is extract the root. So 48 squared plus 20 squared. And if we're going to calculate that, we get 52. Okay, that's the first step. Now we're going to calculate the angle, and we only have the sides. Which sides do we have to be? Well, we have the opposite B and the adjacent right angle side C. So their relationship is the tangent. The tangent of B is B divided by C. So to calculate B, I'm going to invert this tangent. That is the inverted tangent of 48 divided by 20. And then we have 67 degrees 22 minutes, and if you round that correctly, 48 seconds. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, you cannot calculate C by doing 90 minus B. You have to use the green circles. So I'm going to do that again. And it is still tangent, of course, because the opposite side to B is the adjacent right angle side to C, and vice versa. So opposite is C and adjacent is B. So to calculate C, I'm going to invert the tangent of C divided by B, or inverted tangent of 20 divided by 48. And then we have 22 degrees, 37 seconds, and 12 seconds. And now you can check whether these two add up to 90. So this is 1 minute, 23 and 37 is 1 degree, so 68 and 22 is 90. So that is correct. Okay, that was the solution of yesterday. So for today, I'm going to go one page further. So you're going to make exercises 13 and 14. Now, 13, I'm going to give you an example, and 14, I am not going to give you an example because 14 is similar to all the previous examples. So the examples in 2.3.3, 4, and so on, it is very similar. Make sure you start by drawing a triangle, adding all the information, and then start looking for the missing elements. So for the first exercise, that would be A, C, and C. So these are 4 different exercises, always based on the same triangle. This symbol is pi. This is pi as well. It's only in a different font. Dat is in een ander lettertype. Now this exercise, exercise 13, Exercise 13 is about the sine, cosine, tangent, sine, cosine, tangent. That is quite easy. First, we are going to calculate the missing side. And to calculate the missing side, you are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Now, I have to tell you, there is not enough place in this exercise, so write this on a separate sheet. I'm going to do that as well. So I'm going to take a separate sheet. I know that A is 13 and B is 5. So A is 13 and B is 5. I'm looking for C and all the different trigonometric values. So first you're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate C. So C is the square root of A squared minus B squared. So it's going to be the square root of 13 squared minus 5 squared, or 169 minus 25, square root 144, and therefore 12. So okay, now we know that C is 12. Now I'm also looking for sine B, cosine. Okay. Cosine B, tangent B, sine C, cosine C, and tangent C. Okay, sine B. Sine B is, and there you simply have to write the fraction. You do not have to give any calculations for me. So sine is opposite divided by adjacent. It might be handy if you simply make a sketch. So this is A, B, and C, A, B, and C. So this is 12, this is 13, and this is 5. So for the sine, we have opposite divided by hypotenuse. So that is 5 divided by 13. While you're writing this, you know that the sine of B is equal to the cosine of C. So you can simply copy this. Cosine of B, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cosine B is equal to the sine of C, 12 divided by 13. Finally, the tangent of B is the opposite divided by the adjacent, and the tangent of C is the inversion of the tangent of B, so 12 divided by 5. That's all you have to do in that exercise. So good luck. Don't forget to upload your results, and see you later.